Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer TRX from MetaMask to XMO in 2025. If you're holding TRX on MetaMask and want to move it to XMO for trading or storage, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for security in the ever-evolving crypto world. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have TRX in your MetaMask wallet. If not, you'll need to acquire some through an exchange and send it to MetaMask. Remember, TRX is on the Tron network, so ensure your MetaMask is set up for Tron. If it's not, head to the MetaMask settings, add a custom RPC for the Tron network. Use something like the mainnet URL from official Tron sources and switch to it. Next, log into your XMO account and navigate to the deposit section. Find TRX in the list of cryptocurrencies and copy your XMO wallet address. This is crucial. Double-check that it's for TRX on the Tron network to avoid any mix-ups. Now, back in MetaMask, select your TRX balance and hit Send. Paste the XMO wallet address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to transfer, and review the transaction details. Don't forget to check the network fee. In 2025, Tron fees are usually low, but they can vary. Before confirming, verify everything one last time. Hit Send, and you'll get a confirmation prompt. Once it's done, head over to XMO and check your balance. It might take a minute or two for the transfer to reflect. A quick tip: always use hardware wallets for large amounts and enable two-factor authentication on XMO. If you run into issues, like a stuck transaction, reach out to Tron or XMO support. There you have it. You've just transferred TRX from MetaMask to XMO. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto guides. Stay safe out there and happy trading. See you in the next video.